chemical properties of the alkanes. So let's have an introduction. So the chemical properties of the alkanes, as we have a look on that, the alkanes are basically saturated hydrocarbons. They are the saturated hydrocarbons. As they are saturated hydrocarbons, they are having only single bond between the carbon atoms. When they have a single bond between carbon atoms, as this bond is very strong bond, as strong bond, so no one will be able to break it, or it was difficult to break. So the alkanes are generally, if we have a look, they are unreactive, but there are some important reactions that the alkanes can have. The first one reaction we have, it's halogenation, and the second one reaction is known as combustion. So let's have a look at what is halogenation and what is combustion. Mainly the reaction that has been given by the saturated hydrocarbons. These reactions are known as substitution substitution reactions. So these reactions are mainly substituted, not the addition reactions. So let's have a look on the halogenation. So mainly halogenation. Alkanes are saturated, so mostly they undergo the substitution reactions. Halogenation, it is a type of substitution reaction. So what does mean by substitution reaction? Mainly the substitution reaction is the simple, we can say that a replacement reaction, as the hydrogen will be replaced or substituted by the halogen. So this reaction is known as halogenation. Alkanes mainly react with the halogens in the presence of sunlight. When there is a presence of sunlight, or we can say that the UV light, then the alkanes undergoes a specific reaction. That reaction is known as halogenation. For example, the methane, we have CH4, it reacts with the chlorine Cl2 in the presence of sunlight, that is UV light, and undergoes the substitution reaction where the one hydrogen has been replaced by the chlorine. So we will get the product as CH3Cl and plus one hydrogen, and chlorine will form the HCl. This is known as methyl chloride or chloromethane. This is chloromethane. Next we have a series of reaction like CH2H and Cl. Then this hydrogen will be next replaced by the chlorine. Now this chlorine replaces the hydrogen. In the presence of UV light, same, we will get the product as CH2Cl2 and plus HCl. This is known as dichloromethane. Next we have the third one as CH2Cl2. Next the chlorine will replaces another hydrogen, and we will get CHCl3 plus HCl. And the last one hydrogen will also be replaced by the chlorine CHCl3 plus HCl. We will get CCl4, that is carbon tetrachloride. This is carbon tetrachloride. This is the last one product that we gain. So this reaction is known as halogenation reaction. That is going to be happen in the fourth step, second step, third step, and we have the fourth one step. So this is known as halogenation reaction. Chloromethane, dichloromethane, this is the trichloromethane, and this is the tetra or carbon tetrachloride. Next we have the combustion. This is the second chemical reaction or the property of the alkanes. Basically, combustion is a class of reaction which is commonly known as burning of alkanes. So burning of alkanes burns completely. When they burns completely, then they produces the products like carbon dioxide, they produces water, and they produces heat. So these are the main products that are going to be happen as a result of combustion. This reaction is highly exothermic. Exothermic mean there is a release of heat. Let's have an example. We have methane. When we add oxygen or it burns in the presence of oxygen or excess of oxygen, we have the complete combustion. And as a result of complete combustion, we have the products like carbon dioxide, water, and we have heat. So this is the complete combustion. But if we have incomplete combustion or limited supply of, if we have second in which limited oxygen, then the reaction is going to be happen like this. CH4 have oxygen. This is incomplete combustion, and as a result of incomplete combustion we have carbon monoxide, we have water, and we have carbon, that is unburned carbon, due to the less or incomplete combustion or less uh, or limited supply of the oxygen. So basically by balancing out you will get these two products. So this is the complete combustion and this is the incomplete combustion. Mainly two chemical reactions are gonna to be happen as a result of combustion of the alkanes. So this is all about our today's lecture. I hope you guys understand, and if you have any queries you can ask me about that in the comment section. For that time, have a good day and Allah Hafiz.